guess we're gonna party. So by the way, guys, yung ano, guys, yung ano ba, guys, I'm still in disbelief. Guys, actually, ito ay nangyari in the lobby. Yung round namin nangyari sa lobby. Ayun, patay na ba, siya yung murderer. Lol. The round happened in the obby. It's a bug, glitch. The MM2 bug. Oh my gosh. See, that's the guy. That's the nerve. I say. Oh my gosh. I think my lagginess made this.
Lilig lang ako.
I think I did this. I think I did this. You should reset. Where's the word?